Hi, my name is Dingiswayo Juma. I was born in Zimbabwe, Harare. My real area is Gokwe, and my mother's area is Mondoro. So I was born in a family where I was able to follow Mbira music since I was 8 years old. I've listened and I did dance and I did play the drum and percussion um, within the rituals and I might have even done a lot of like all night performances. I think I might have spent even like 1,000 days um, within, my mom's family and my father's family, awake, listening to the Mbira, dancing to the Mbira, meeting a lot of different Mbira players coming from different backgrounds, and also hearing people play like different variations. So it really opened my mind in terms of what you can do with Mbira. Like Mbira itself is quite a versatile instrument. There's a lot that you can do with it. It's able to take you onto a spiritual journey, onto a sound journey. Uh, you can leave your body while you're playing it. It can even entertain animals, and it can even heal. If you're feeling quite emotional unstable, it can heal you. And also it can also heal spiritual sickness, and it can also welcome the spirits. um, and however, like even if it welcomes the spirit, like in the spiritual world there is good and there's bad, and there's always people who are also on a higher level in terms of vision of what is happening spiritually. So it's a whole other topic, but let's come back to what I'm going to do. In this course, I want to introduce you to the Mbira. I want to show you how it's structured, like, how I've seen it since I was 8 years old. I will show you like how many keys it's got and how it's been developed since I was born. And I would also show you what is possible with the Mbira, um, the kind of keys that you can find, um, how you can play it from solo to duet to ensemble, how you can also sing while you're playing it, and above all, I have also decided to develop it. I have, started making it when I was 11. When I was like 11 years old, believe it or not, I was already like hammering those keys, um, testing, the sound, trying to come up with an instrument. I have built instruments. Uh, some were good since I mean some were like bad since I was beginning. Uh, but it got better and better as I grow up. Uh, and also I have been making them considering where I am. I always try to use the material that is around me, from the wood to the metal, uh, to the tools, you know. But I welcome you to this course to learn. Nemamusaza, 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 nemamusaza. Hanga mwana hanga ndeyangu vakasvika vaeni kuti baba havapo ini ndirimo ndichingoitsagada vakasvika vaeni kuti baba havapo ini ndirimo ndichingoitsagada angainde yangu angainde yangu angainde yangu angainde yangu hanga mwana ndinodya ndigaine hanga mwana hanga kunaka angainde yangu angainde yangu angainde yangu angainde yangu angainde yangu yawe yawe Yay!